Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and I welcome you to day 13 of Vlogmas. In today's video, we are going to be making a Pom Pom Reindeer Garland or like bunting. This is also good and cute for wrapping, and you'll see me wrap some of my presents later on this month, but I am using these on my presents basically, or something like this. So I will show you now how to make it. If you haven't seen how to make a pom-pom, then you can watch back to my video. There will be a link in the description box to my DIY pom-pom basket. That is how you make them. I have gone for the second size down pom-pom. I have got like light brown wool, dark brown pipe cleaners, garden string, and then I've got red pom-poms and black pom-poms. You'll also need your glue gun, and that is all you need for this DIY. So join me on this. I'm going to do some pom-poms now. So yeah, I'll show you one, but if you need more help, or again you can use cardboard as well, but if you need more help then you can go check that out on my other video. Okay, so I've done one and I'll do one with you now, and then I'll do another one and I'll come back and show you it up, well, how to put it all together. So if you don't know how to make a pom-pom, you just, or if you've got these are from Hobbycraft, you connect them together, and then with your wool, you just wind it round till it's thick enough really. So I just wrap the end round and hold it in place, and then just wrap it up basically. And then once you've done that side, you then just start on the other side and just carry on going. And once you're finished wrapping it, you just cut it cut your thread off and you connect them together. Like so, there's one this side as well, but it's missing, it's on the floor somewhere. And then with your scissors, you just cut round the middle, like between the two orange bits on mine, but whatever colour yours are. Or if it's just cut through the middle of both bits of cardboard, really. And then it's like that. And all you do then is you get a bit of your yarn, you put it through the middle, and then you tie it in a knot. It's too long, so I'm going to just loosen it. You tie it in a knot so it ties the whole waist, like ties the whole bunch of string up, basically. So make it tight, and I just do a double knot. And then I cut that. And then you just unhook the white bits or take out your cardboard. And then you have your pom-pom, like so. Some bits will be longer, that's when you can literally just trim it up. Or if you just want them a bit more all over the place, like I did last time, then you can just leave them. So then that's 2. I'll be back once I've done one more and I'll show you how to put it all together. Okay, so now I've got out some pipe cleaner, some pom-poms. If you're just doing all the reindeers, then you can obviously use black pom-poms for their noses. If you are doing all Rudolph like I am, just use red throughout. I'm going to cut these down because they're too long, and then cut a little bit extra. So I'm going to just start with one, and they're all going to be the same for me. Obviously, if yours are different, then change it. Laid my pom-pom down, and I'm just going to hot glue the end of the pipe cleaner, and then just stick it into place. And then hot glue the little bit that you've just cut off. And stick that onto the other pipe cleaner. And the same with the other one. Now I've just realised I'm working back to front for you, so I will turn it round, because this, well, I suppose you could have that as the front or the back, it doesn't matter. So that is my reindeer shape, basically. So now I'm going to just hot glue the pom-poms, so 2 black for the eyes. And then a red one. For his nose. And there you have a reindeer pom-pom. They're cute as it is, and that's how I'm going to have it for my presents, but on still using the garden string. So I will do the others like this now, and then I will show you how to attach it to the garden string. So now I've got 3 reindeers done to show you this garland. Aren't they little cute? So cute. I've cut a bit of garden string. The length that I want actually is probably a little bit longer, but that's fine. And all you need to do now is work out where to hang them on your string and glue them in place. So I will put my string out on the table. It's really long. Obviously, if you're doing all the reindeers, then do all the reindeers. So I'm going to take this one in the middle. Just hot glue a bit in the back. And then with the string, just make sure that a bit of the wool sticks over the top to make it secure. And then you've got your first Pom Pom reindeer on the string. And then you just go along and carry on doing that. So this and then they're all three of them are on the string. I can now hang it up where I want it to, and I'll show you the finished look once I've hung it up. You can really see my reflection in this. So you can really see my reflection in this, so I'm sorry, but I've just put it up here to show you. But look how cute it looks. They are cute, they're a bit wonky, but that is still cute. And I can't wait to put these on my presents, as well as garlands on the wall and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you would make this garland or if you'd use any other characters. Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post, and I'll see you tomorrow.